everybody, my name is Ms. Madison. It's a pleasure to meet you. Now this video that you're watching is going to be showing you how to put together your mini aquaponics system. So the first thing you're going to need to get out of your kit is your tiny mason jar. Next will be your wonderful dirty bag of rocks. After that, you'll need your piece of mesh. And as well, you will need your fish. Now, I don't have a fish with me today because fish are precious and I'm not going to be using a fish because I tried to save the fish for you. So, the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to take your bag of rocks and you are going to pause this video and you are going to go clean them. I will be here paused, waiting patiently for you to go back so you know. I have cleaned another bag of rocks all ready for this video. So you go ahead and go clean your rocks and I will wait right here and pause. Okay, so now you have your rocks cleaned from your sink or whatever you used to clean them off. And you are going to take your jar, you're going to screw the lid, and one of the things you'll notice is that your lid has two parts to it. So you have the solid part that goes in the middle, and then you have this part that screws on. You will not need this disc part. So at this point, you will take your fish and your water, and you will fill this up just to about here with the water as well as your fish. Once you have done that, which I'll give you a couple seconds to do that. You're gonna drink some coffee while you're doing that. Don't hurt the fish. If the fish falls out of the bag, it's okay. Just pick it back up and put it in there. Sometimes things happen. Okay, so you have your water and your fish in here. The next thing that you are going to do is you are going to take your piece of mesh, okay? And you're going to put it in the center of your jar, just like that, right? You will then proceed to take your lid and you're going to gently hold it over the mesh. You'll use your two fingers and you're going to want to make a little dip like that. So it's like a cup inside. And then go ahead and screw that lid on. Okay. You should have something that looks similar to that. Now, what you will do is you will take your rocks and you're going to fill that mesh up with your rocks. Now, if you don't have it so that way the rocks are sitting in the water, you're going to want to maybe loosen your lid a little bit so that way you can kind of get some more of that mesh in there and make that cup sit a little deeper. And then you can fit more rocks into the top part. All right, now it's okay if your rocks are kind of over a little bit, that's just fine. And what you're gonna do is, this is going to be your mini aquaponics system. Once we get through with one of our other experiments, you will actually end up taking the result of the experiment that we'll do called germination, and you're gonna take that seed and you're gonna put it in here, and this is going to fuel the growth of one of your other experiments. So we're gonna put this to the side for now, and feel free to name your fish.